Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're now testing the new product CPAA adapter. This product is also great for cars that only comes with Apple CarPlay, like the LDV D90. We're testing it right now. This car only has Apple CarPlay, so it's hard for the Android users to connect it. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna plug it in here in the USB port and just leave it there. And we also have our Samsung S10 here, and what's going to happen is the car, they're going to talk with each other. As you can see, this is the screen. It's going to start communicating with the device and paralleling automatically, and it's going to start showing you Android Auto wirelessly. It's not connected to anything, as you can see, and now you have Android Auto in your LDV D90 car. So here are the maps, sorry, but here are the Android Auto solution with all the apps that you may have available for Android Auto, easy to use. So great solutions for all those cars who don't have Android Auto and you want to install your Android device wirelessly. Is the CPAA wireless Android Auto product that converts CarPlay cars into wireless Android Auto. And of course this also comes with wireless CarPlay as well, in case you want. If you want to find more, just go to our website www.smartworldcompany.com.